Hi, I'm Aaron at 1Maybe2 Retro. Today, we're going to be working on this poor 1571. Yeah, this beast of a drive, which helped define the Commodore 128 as being a speedy, useful drive. I'm going to be careful there. This one fell, sadly, with a printer sitting on top of it. Fell out of the bottom of a box. Yeah, I know I'm not going to use foldable plastic, light-duty plastic boxes for carrying. This should never have been at the bottom of a printer, but the printer landed right on top of it. Kaboom! Um, and it's I don't want to touch that until I can get into it and see what's going on in the inside. I'm not going to apply power to it until I do a visual inspection. I'm hoping not to hear too many clickies. I'm hoping not to hear too many clickies, as in things falling apart inside. Things falling apart inside. I'm not sure if this is one that I have tested yet or not. I don't think I have. Just watching my camera because recording keeps stopping on the top-down camera. And, well, that's kind of important for this video. I think it's a heat-related issue with the SSD/USB-C hub that I have installed for them. So hopefully, I'm hoping that by getting some active cooling on it. There we go, all 4 screws are out. The camera issue can be resolved. Oh, okay. Well, there certainly is something that's been dislodged in here. And but if I'm not mistaken, this is just a mechanism that holds this down, which means that, ooh, we might be really, really, really lucky here. Yeah. Now, remind myself that this definitely comes in here. Okay, I think we can, that's going to be okay. I think it's, this should be in here like so. And then this, I believe, is in here like so. And goes up and in like this. So if it's open, yeah, and there's a spacer that we would expect to be there. Oh. So I think a challenge we might have here is that this, well, what if I do this? This should sleeve. There we go. Okay, and the camera's still running. Well, I'm, jeez, the metal label's coming off. This disc was only in there to protect it. Well, I am happy enough with that. I'm not seeing anything else. Let's turn this up. Yeah, I see we got some damage here, but oh, fingers crossed. Maybe. Oh, can we reach with this? Yes, we can. Okay, we're in off mode. Let's just see if we get light. All right. Well, maybe you didn't see that, but I'll do it again. Okay, I'm going to turn that off now. I'm going to very gently, yep. That's all working too. Okay, if I turn this on, okay. So, next step is, of course, I put this back together without the faceplate on. The faceplate's got to be on. Oh my goodness. This is not what I'm looking for. Well, so far so great. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, what happens when I pull on this? Okay, that's what happens. And we have to pull that out. And I drop it in there again. That's all right. I know exactly where that has to go. You know what? I am going to unplug this, and I'm just gonna shake this out a bit. Aha. Oops. So I'm not sure whether I caught that or not, but before we reassemble this, we might as well give it a good old clean. So it's a little dusty inside. Let's have a look here. Not too bad. I've definitely seen worse. All right, let's clean this puppy as quickly as possible. I got some isopropyl and I have some non-stick oil-free silicone. So first thing we'll do is we'll just give a quick wipe down of the rails here. I'll leave the heads for last. Yeah, there's some gunk there. We certainly want to get off the rails if we can. Unlike the Commodore 64, getting underneath, sorry, the 1541s, getting underneath and around these are a little more difficult. You can see I'm pulling off a good amount of gunk from here. There's probably gunk left in the track. Okay. Excellent. And then we'll just use the other side of this. We'll get some non-stick dry film lubricant. This is silicone based. It is very plastic friendly, all material friendly. Yeah, look at that. And if we slide that back and we get it on here. And the one thing you just want to make sure you don't do is get it on the heads. So once you get it on the heads, there is, oh, that's much better. I can feel the difference in the resistance. And you know what? If we have the, oh, no, 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 bad move, bad move. Let's, oh. Oh, silly, 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 silly. Well, we've now lubricated everything down below. Gosh, and all I wanted to do was get extra lubricant on the rails. More on move. More on move. Okay, well, let's, there we go. That's running nice and smooth. Okay. Now, this is broken. I'm going to have to suffer with that. It's broken everywhere. I don't have an answer right now. Like, you know, realistically, I'm going to have to... my top-down camera's ended again. Look at this gunk in here. It's going to require a different type of cleaning, I think. Key is, does it work? Okay. Let's get this, and we will push it back through here as we had before. Just glad that didn't break. That is not as we had it. Are you going to record there, buddy? Or have I ruined another one of those drive housings? And then we're going to stick this through the hole. Right, because he'll fit. Right, like that. Okay, good. You'll come back like that. That seems like a pretty smooth operation. Okay. Quick isopropyl alcohol on the heads. They don't look too dirty, but hard to see. I will take this and make myself a 90-degree tool. I can, oh. Done. Done. For now, I'm going to reattach this. Is this even? Okay. Yeah. I mean, as long as it's functioning, I don't care about, there's a couple rips and dents, etc. Okay, but what I am going to do is I'm just going to put some E-tape on this. I know. What I'll ultimately have to do is, after remanufacture some, just do this. I just want this to hold. My God, how many cuts do I have in this thing? There we go. Here, I'm just going to do this. This is temporary. This is not meant to be permanent until I can find a solution to holding this in place. You can see here we have no tension out whatsoever that's able to hold it. So okay. I'm not concerned. I just want to make sure that we give every opportunity for that thing to stay in place. Until I can remanufacture, until we can test the drive and validate that it's still functioning. Yep, we have little pieces here that I can always glue back together. Oh, it's got a big gouge out of there. I better be careful with that. It seems to be slipping on these. There we go. We use that. Chemicals with caps on to the side, please. We're going to take our 90% sure that this 128 is as close to a known working as anything else. So lift by the chassis. Okay, don't lift by the edges. We'll just, or the front especially. Okay, so we have our makeshift. Drive in here. It's going like this and like this, and I think we'll want this, and I'm not going to. What am I going to do? Let's make sure that this is on. Yeah, it looks like it's on drive 8. I'm going to take it and plug it into like so. Computer like so. I'm going to leave in 40, I think. Okay. We get a product, which is good. I'm going to turn on the drive. Oh, okay. Drive not finishing its self-check. How about this drive? All right. That's better. Okay. Checking the heads. I shouldn't have it like this. There's got to be a better way. I will prop it up a little bit higher on something stable. cardboard box that I know is fairly stable. And we stopped recording it. All right. You have a floppy disk. We got a directory. Okay. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And this time I'm actually recording the screen. So previously, as we said, we were able to put in this floppy, hit F3, we got a disk directory. Not sure why the head is skipping like that. Now we're going to put in a 1571 disk. Okay. I know my top-down recording has stopped. Okay. I'm back. So we were able to get a directory, top-down or not. That's good. This is a 1571 disk. I can't do that. But let's have a look at that again. I'll scroll. There's a DOS shell wedge. Lots of how to use. I don't want the how to use. What I want is there we go. There's a format disk. Okay, so we're going to pull out this disk, which, by the way, seems to work. Better make a backup of that. Here's a brand new disk from a box of disks that in theory works. This is 1571 test. Why did I pick the keyboard? Disk ID, any two characters, 01. Insert the disk and to that speed go. Wow, I think I got away with it. We'll see. So the head on one side seems to work. Head on the other side seems to work. Nope, let's not format another. We'll do a quick directory. 1,328 blocks free. That is 360K. That is nice. Let's go back in here. I think I got away very lucky with this unit. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we did the format test. We've got a 1571 disk here, test disk. We're going to power this on, and we're going to do a quick alignment check here. Oh, half tracks are looking good. Primary tracks are perfect. Look at that. Nice. Nice. I'm going to have to find one of these that's going to check all all 72 tracks on the 1571. Because this just tops out at 40 and doesn't recognize the 1571. Time to go to the world of Janny. Let's see if he has Commodore. $128. Drives. Okay. Well, it showed a weird half track there, but I'm actually not concerned about that. Okay, that's excellent. And if you weren't here, we'll go back here. This disc was formatted. Oh, it's reading back the wrong number of blocks. That's weird. It shouldn't matter. But if we do a speed check, perfect speed. Not even wavering. Okay. Looks good. Thanks for trying. I can't believe it was that easy. Thank goodness, because I want a known, working, well-aligned 1571 in my arsenal. My challenge is with the case, and I think I can correct that. So thanks. Congratulations. I didn't screw up this drive as badly as I thought I did. Oh my goodness. But I am going to have to find a better solution for my media storage, because those USB sticks keep crashing when doing heavy write loads. I don't know how much footage I just lost. Well, thanks for watching. I should be having another video coming up where I do a bunch of Commodore 128 diagnostics. And then another video after that where I am going to be working with Commodore 128 and trying to get Geo's version 2 up and running. I was doing it at the World of Commodore, and I was able to get it up and running there, and there's a little surprise that I'm going to have as part of that video. So in a couple videos ahead, yeah, we're going to have some fun. Thanks. Cheers. Thanks for joining me on this journey.